Hello, today we will guide you through how to turn on personalized audio isolation in Zoom. If you want clearer voice quality during meetings and fewer distracting background sounds, this setting can be very helpful. In this walkthrough, we'll open Zoom, head into the audio settings, and turn on the personalized audio option so your microphone can better focus on your voice. Start by opening the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure the app is fully loaded so you can access the main home screen without interruption. If Zoom was already open in the background, just bring it to the front before continuing. Once you're on the main Zoom screen, look to the top right corner and click on your profile account icon. This is where Zoom keeps your account and app preferences, so it's the right place to begin when you want to change how audio behaves during calls and meetings. After the profile menu opens, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings window where Zoom groups different options into categories such as General Preferences, Video, and Audio. Since we're adjusting how your microphone handles sound, the next section we need is the audio area. In the settings window, click on Audio. This section controls your microphone and speaker setup, along with several sound enhancement features. If you've adjusted your microphone or speaker settings before, this may already look familiar. Now scroll down through the audio settings and look for the microphone mode section. Depending on your version of Zoom, this may appear further down the page, so take a moment to scan carefully. This area is where Zoom gives you more advanced control over how your voice is processed. When you find it, click on the Personalize Audio toggle button to turn it on. Enabling this option allows Zoom to use personalized audio isolation, which is designed to better separate your voice from other sounds around you. This can improve clarity, especially if you're working in a shared room or a place with light background noise. After the toggle is turned on, the settings should save automatically, so you usually won't need to click a separate Save button. It's a good idea to test your microphone in Zoom afterward to make sure everything sounds the way you want. If needed, you can return to the same audio settings area later and make additional adjustments. That's it. You've successfully turned on personalized audio isolation in Zoom.